Yeah, oh god, I have a lot of liquids in my fridge. Guess I like to drink a lot. Hello everyone, so for today's video, I thought I would show you a what's in my fridge video, because living on your own, what's in your fridge is very important, especially for what you eat. Yeah, so let's begin. Blueberries, because, whoops, they're very healthy for you, and I don't very healthy blueberries. What else do I have in here? Oh god, I don't want to see. Got water, Avalon jars, milk water. I actually have lots of water to keep you hydrated. I have three whole jugs of water, so nice and cold water, especially in the summer. I have a jar of what I think is yeah, it's tea. Tea. It's not urine. It looks like urine though. Ooh. Some carrots, an avocado. What can you do with those? Can you, carroting pun, insert it here. Celeb butter. Celebrities have this kind of butter. Celeb. Blue Menu. Very good. Garlic mayo. I put this on my sandwiches. Very delicious. I've got a bunch of eggs. Who doesn't have eggs in their fridge? It's excellent. Haha, fun. We got what is this? A bottle of wine. Ooh, classy. It's how classy people get drunk. What is this? Sauvignon. I will open this up probably after this video. Look at this. This is homemade peanut butter. I made it myself. I'm very proud of it. It's delicious. Almost empty. Yeah. Pasta sauce. Some ragu with mushrooms for whenever I make pasta, because I am cheap and I need a quick source of meal. So I got some Perrier, unopened. Lime Perrier. I actually don't like Perrier. I just have this in my fridge from a party. Speaking of parties, I have a party here. I have maple syrup. Oh, up here. I have maple syrup because who doesn't have maple syrup? You put maple syrup on everything. Spaghetti, pancakes, waffles. It works. That's tea. More tea apparently. I'm a big tea drinker. Back here is where I keep all the party favors. Some Bailey's liqueur. And some Kahlua, given to me from a friend, by a friend. I swear, I'm not an alcoholic. They have a half bottle of Jones root beer, because you only need half a bottle to make pulled pork on a slow cooker, which is delicious. Of course, baking soda, keep your fresh feeling, make you keep your feeling. Baking soda, keep you clean, or keep your fridge clean. Is all you need to know about my fridge and freezer. As you can see, I am very healthy person-ish. Oh. Anyways, hope you like my video and subscribe and thumbs up and share. Bye. See you soon.